आनन्दं परमसुखं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं गमनमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityananda. Welcome to Sri Kailasha Kotiyar Manifesting Power Session. Welcome everybody. Such an intense satsang beyond the possibility of what is happening. Bhagwan is giving us a breakthrough of organic vaccination in different levels. He's giving us the understanding how Tyaga intensifies when love becomes more, when your Hridaya heart is filled with Bhagwan, and how more and more you're in love with Bhagwan, Tyaga simply happens. More and more living that space of Tyaga, oneness with Paramashiva, is the ultimate, makes everything so beautiful and easy. Doing the morning routine, the mood swings completely vanish away. Bhagwan has once said to the Gurukul kids, how in the morning the maximum contemplation is happening in your mind. And when you are very clear what you want in the morning and bring a clarity during yoga and puja, the coherence that just happens. Yoga, he calls it as aligning to the cosmic geometry. So your mind, body, emotion, everything is aligned to the highest reality. Same way doing puja, you as Paramashiva himself as offering to Paramashiva, simply holding that oneness space, melting in Paramashiva, and continuously doing this yoga and puja in the Brahma Muhurta simply makes us align to the coherence of the brain, the clarity that it brings. So the emotional ups and downs does not affect us. And Bhagwan simply says, there's a nadi which was there in human being which is lost now, simply starts happening when you start doing yoga in the Brahma Muhurta. It's so powerful. It's not just flexing our muscles or building our muscles or getting some strength, but it's much beyond the Brahma Muhurta. If you heard that maximum number of heart attacks happen in the early morning, how much we are aligned and how much the confusion happens in the ordinary world while doing all the yoga and puja in that time releases from all that and aligns us to the highest reality. Each and everything Bhagwan says is completely true and completely real. Living the Charya Pada, simple lifestyle that Bhagwan has given, and Yoga Pada, Kriya Pada, and Jnana Pada, how he says simply the coronavirus could be really completely wiped out when you are in the Panchapatni Vridam. That is simple fasting for 28 days, letting go all the reactionary assumption. Most of the reactionary assumption is from the food that we eat. If we sit for meditation, the only thing which goes on inside is our mind is completely chaos, and to settle down it takes so long. But doing this yoga, doing the puja, it is literally settling our inner space. And the Panchabhati with the Mridam, the Nirahara Samyama that Bhagwan has given, settles our inner space to such coherence understanding, we can start living the higher cognition, higher reality, that space of tyaga, space of love, simply because our inner space is completely settled. Even whatever we want to strategize, it becomes so natural and real, not changing every hour, but more clarity and more in oneness with Paramashiva, the right decisions that we make, rise thought current we carry, and less confusion and less chaos that happens inside us. The conflicts simply reduces and vanish away. So each and everything that Bhagavan gives us is such a powerful space. And with that powerful space, the darshan and diksha, let's go to the Shastra Pramana today.
The Shastra Pramana for the power to alter matter within the body is taken from the Shiva Sutra, Sutra 3.43. भूतकञ्चुकितदा विमुक्तो भूयः पतिसमः परः भूतकञ्चुकितदा विमुक्तो भूयः पतिसमः परः.
Such a beautiful sutra,
3.43.
exactly Bhagavan has given us from the Shiva Sutra 3.43. Power to fill up your or empty the stomach through the third eye. For him, 5 elements are only the covering. At the very moment he is absolutely liberated, supreme, and just like Shiva. How Bhagavan said, the earth element, when we are very rigid, we are caught up in the earth element. When in the water element, when we are in emotional ups and downs, the mute swings, and continuously in up and down, we are not able to think what we really want. The coherence does not happen. And the fire element, completely tired and bored. And the air element, the boredom leads to the suicide. All this depression, boredom, tiredness, the tiredness that the water element holds, the whole space of confusion, chaos, struggle, all these are part of the 5 elements that we are struggling with. To settle those elements and raise ourselves to the higher reality. Bhagavan's once come down when Vaigai river was over flooding because they jailed Manika Vasagar, and Bhagavan comes down, Paramashiva comes down to help embark the Vaigai in Madurai and sees the old lady and asks her for some food, and she gives some very nice sweet, and he eats the sweet and goes and lies down instead of doing anything. The guards come and say, why are you lying down instead of building the embankment for the river not to overflow? He simply smiles and goes back to sleep. So king himself comes and he asks, why are you lying down and not working? And he takes the wand and hits Bhagwan. And when he hits, everybody, every being on planet Earth or any other part of any other dimension felt that pain, that whatever he went through, to show that everything, the whole world is filled with the same consciousness that the king was also having inside him. The king also felt the beating on himself. So when he felt the beating, he simply surrendered to Paramashiva and said, I did not know that it is you who has come down. Please save us from this flooding and tell us what we need to do. Bhagavan himself comes down and makes all of us experience this great science that everything is Paramashiva, everything is consciousness, and that is the existential reality. Many times he comes down to show us the highest reality. Now Bhagavan himself has told us he is going to be in the Vrita, but actually he will be making sure all of us who are in the Vrita will be filled up with the stomach full. Once Bhagavan was sitting around and he said, okay, I finish eating, now all of you will be full. And we all felt completely full. And the best part, we forgot about the food. We did not even remember about the food after he said that. It was completely erased out of our memory that whether we had food or not. So such powerful space when Bhagavan starts fasting with us. He not fast, but makes us complete and fulfilled and overflowing with joy. Same Krishna, when he ate, he told his gopikas that all of them will be full, and they all felt completely eaten every single dish. All these great things Bhagavan gives us, and we have to only experience by doing the tyaga of not getting into reactionary assumption, but living that beautiful space of oneness with Bhagavan. When he says buttermilk and panagam, simply living that space, you will be full. And it's not that you'll feel empty and hungry, but simply taking that, Bhagavan has already programmed whoever is taking that is completely taken care also. When Bhagavan himself is doing that, simply we feel that complete space of oneness. And for all of us to experience that, he himself comes down and plays all these leelas. So with that space, let's go to the instruction. Today we are going to, of course, we are with the empty stomach, so we can fill the stomach just by tyaga, pure love in the hridaya, and continuously chanting the Mahavakya. Now let's sit straight with the head, neck and back in a straight line. Contemplate on the great truth Bhagavan has given and hold that space of oneness in the darshan that he has given now. The beautiful darshan and the diksha, the initiation, that is mainly taking out all our incompletion and surrendering to Bhagavan again and again, makes us completely in oneness. The Shaktipada with Bhagavan starts happening. And chanting the Mahavakya, the mantra diksha that we got, literally our whole body vibrates. Every part of our body, every cell of the body vibrates with the Mahavakya that he had given. When we contemplate and chant the Mahavakya, feeling the oneness with Paramashiva in our hearts, continuously, simply we will see any power manifest in front of us absolutely. So let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan in third eye, continuously contemplate and chant the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda.
Wonderful. Slowly open your eyes and share your experience. All these beautiful space becomes more reality and more alive when you share your experience again and again. In tinyurl.com/power manifestation, go ahead and share your great understanding and how you experienced the powerful cognition, the darshan, the diksha, and the Shakti Avishkarna itself, the power manifestation itself. All these great truths, when we start experiencing in our life and sharing in our own words with as many people as possible, we reiterate that state in us. If you've, suppose, manifested the power of filling your stomach, when you're feeling Bhagwan in your heart, your stomach simply fills in, and you share this experience with hundreds of people, then they will also start manifesting that powers and simply be aligned to more and more the higher reality. How Bhagwan says, when we do not have the reactionary assumptions, the mood swings, we are aligned to the higher reality. The gas in the stomach dilutes and moves away, simply giving us the space for higher reality to happen. It's very important that we making that our lifestyle by sharing, enriching others, and simply you can cause others to be part of the whole thing. When you are in the oneness state with Paramashiva, it's not that you convince somebody. Because you are in that state of Paramashiva, the reflection in them simply makes a yes for you. Whenever you're struggling anywhere outside, that somebody is not agreeing, somebody is not with you, aligned with you in what your thoughts are, simply go to the higher resources. Start becoming oneness with Paramashiva in your heart. and start sharing and living that space with others, you will find that simply they align to the higher reality with you and start understanding and start realizing and start literally being part of what you want. The more you are aligned without the reactionary assumptions, the mood swings, and the delusions, we will be able to cause others also in the same space. So that is why Bhagwan has told us as a daily routine, go ahead and enrich everybody and cause everybody, not by marketing or causing, by convincing, but by living in your inner space in the oneness with Paramashiva. You completely merging with Paramashiva, simply people around you will start living that reality that you want to. Such a beautiful space that Bhagavan has given. And the Nityananda Gurukul, he said millions of Gurukul are happening around the world, and that is becoming true every month. So many people are registering and so many kids are attending the online Gurukul. Parents are so happy. So many testimonials you would have seen from many parts of the world that parents are so happy to see the changes in the children, because as a child, all these happens very quickly. How they start with the Sirasasana, that is the standing upside down, everything for them, it's very easy because they are not in the reactionary assumption life. Till 21, they are only in the oneness of Paramashiva and they can simply clone him and manifest Bhagwan inside them immediately when they align to all these greater truths. So giving them an opportunity once a week to align themselves to these greater truths is Nityananda Gurukul, online Gurukul. And if you would like to see the joy and fun in the kids and enjoy that space, you being part of the Acharya registration new will lead you to higher reality, just seeing the kids in oneness with Paramashiva. Bhagwan has given this oneness with Avatar, the ultimate program that's going on, and we can really physically feel how Bhagwan is living the space of Arunagiri Yogeshwara to give the experience for the participants, and how amazing Bhagwan has really given us that possibility for us to realize the higher dimension of us, the higher reality. Anything and everything that Bhagwan gives, don't miss even one opportunity in any way. How much ever possible, be there for the next batch to experience the highest truth. Yes, the dates will be published soon because of coronavirus. The dates will be correctly published soon. And simply you can experience the higher reality with Bhagwan. And Bhagwan's weekend program that he every week conducts for us to experience the ultimate. Cause as many people as you can and bring yourself also to experience the ultimate again and again into the Mantra Diksha, into the Siva Diksha and the Samaya Diksha, which makes us the authority to worship Paramashiva himself, do the Abhishekam and Alankar and the Puja. Such a oneness space that Bhagwan creates for all of us in such a small 2-day program, and simply makes us understand the higher reality, that why we have come to planet Earth to completely celebrate the highest nectar of Paramashiva starts happening in all of us when we start living in the oneness space of Paramashiva. So with that beautiful space, let's surrender to Bhagwan's lotus feet all the powerful cognition and ideas, views, everything that we have, and the power manifestation, Shakti Avishkarna, also to Bhagwan's lotus feet. Again and again, surrendering to Bhagwan's lotus feet, we raise in confidence and is able to do Tyaga so beautifully. So with a deep earning, seeking, request Bhagwan in a prayerful space with a deep gratitude to make Tyaga and love as your existential reality. The more and more we make the Tyaga as our lifestyle, the more and more we can experience Bhagwan inside us, overflowing with joy, bliss, and ultimate completion, which happens in all of us. So, with that beautiful space, let's visualize Bhagwan in third eye and end the session with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Bhagwan. Thank you, each and every one of you. See you in the next Power Manifestation session. Nityanandam.